You gotta love your hood like you love your homies. It's always been that way, and ain't nothing ever gonna change. I done seen it all. What up, CJ?
What's up? Yeah, I'm glad to see things back the way they used to be.
Nah, it ain't like it was, but it's gonna be. We still gotta get everybody in the hood back together. I was just telling these cats what's important. We gotta let everybody know Grove is back on the map.
Hold up, don't you think we ought to take it easy?
What?
You know I got other things in mind. Commitments I made.
Can y'all step outside for a minute? I need to talk to him. If you don't get this shit together, what you think this place is gonna look like? You always did real good leaving jobs half finished.
That's cold, sweet.
Man, we can't take care of this from no bitch-ass rapper's mansion.
Look, the world's bigger than this hood.
This is where our lives begin and where it's probably gonna end. And don't forget where you came from, Mr. Uppity-ass nigga.
Now that ain't fair.
Oh. Somebody just crossed out all the writing on the wall, disrespected your hood, and you act like you don't give a fuck. That ain't fair.
Okay. Have it your way. Come on. So you got a plan?
Yeah, I got a plan. We gonna roll in the baller's hood and take it back for the Grove.
Okay, let's get those motherfuckers.
Hit him hard, CJ.
Hey, yo, what the fuck, fool? I'm going in.
Hey, come on, man. I thought we was banging. Hey, what you waiting around for?
Yeah, we showed them fools. Let's go who ride on these ballers.
My shins. Man, this is so Trey's looking for trouble. Hey. Hey, what's the Hey, man, thanks for that.
Get fucked with.
Everybody down. I got
Hey,
these
over here.
busters can ball better than us. You scrapping with the champ, fool. marks can't ball. I served this buster ass. You can't fade the ballers. I'm about to break you off.
Murder them fools. Hey, dude, keep up. Yeah. Show them more.
We did it, CJ. Let's bail back to Grove Street.
Give me them chips. Come on, man, keep up. Hey, homie, get your ass over here.
Yeah, take it to the head.
Get your stupid ass moving.
You know where you at.
Yep, Grove Street family handle those ballers.
Johnson boys rolled right over him.
Okay, dog, I'm gonna get some sleep. I'm beat. Here, I took this from one of those baller fools. Probably drug money. Here's your half.
Oh, now it's like that? Where are the Johns tonight?
Sup?
You two-bit backstabbing piece of eggplant shit.
Salvatore, nice to hear from you too.
You're dead. Your friends are dead. Your family's dead. I'm gonna fuck you up and your children and your grandchildren.
Well, it's been nice talking to you, but I got some money that needs spending on some expensive trash, so if you excuse me.
You're dead. Dead.
Dog, I got quality shit right here.
Well, he say he's taking me to Ventura. Maybe you need something to eat. Respect my stroll, Lane. Come on, I gotta hurry back to my kids.
Right, man, so I'll be seeing you about half an hour, I guess.
I know it's you stinking perro.
Look, just say what you gotta say. I ain't interested in the stupid games.
Stupid games? This is my heart you play with.
What? Look, you... Damn! Gotta change my number.